Hello, my name is Senior Inspector Thomas Petty with the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office. This 60 Seconds for Safety message is one in a series of programs providing you life-saving tips on fire protection. Over the next 60 seconds, we'll cover just a few reminders about apartment and condominium safety. People living in apartments or condominiums need to think ahead and be prepared in the event of a fire. Know the locations of all available exit stairs from your floor in case the nearest one is blocked by fire. Check with property management about emergency procedures in case of a fire. Get acquainted with elderly folks in your building. You might be able to help them get out or direct firefighters where they live. Don't park in front of fire hydrants or in fire lanes. Firefighters need quick and close access to buildings. Make sure the exit stairwell doors are clearly marked, unlocked, and unblocked by clutter. If not, notify management immediately. Know two ways out of your apartment and pick a family meeting place outside that's a safe distance away from the building. If there is a fire, pull the fire alarm on your way out. And always use the stairs to get out, never use the elevator. If there is a fire in your apartment, tell everyone to leave. Close all doors behind you. Go to the safe meeting place and then call 911. Remember, fire safety in the home is an everyday project. Everyone should have a home fire escape plan and practice it twice a year. Know two ways out of every room. Test your smoke alarms monthly and replace the batteries every year. Make sure your home family knows to call 911 in an emergency. This is Senior Inspector Thomas Petty with Harris County Fire Marshal's Office, wishing you a fire-safe day.